Comprehensive surgical management of adult foot macrodystrophia lipomatosa, an expanded case-based guide for orthopedic surgeons. Macrodystrophia lipomatosa (MDL) is a rare condition present from birth that causes abnormal overgrowth of bones, fat, and soft tissues, most often affecting the foot or hand. When it appears in adults, it can lead to problems with walking, shoe fit, and appearance, but effective treatments are available. This chapter reviews practical steps for diagnosis, surgery, and recovery. Research shows that removing the entire affected toe or ray, along with excess tissue, is usually more effective than repeated partial surgeries, giving better long-term results with fewer recurrences. New approaches, such as advanced imaging, nerve mapping, and reconstructive techniques, can help improve both function and appearance. Some experimental treatments targeting the genetic causes of MDL may also shape future care. With proper surgical planning and rehabilitation, most patients can walk comfortably in regular shoes, maintain foot stability, and achieve satisfying cosmetic results. Introduction. Macrodystrophia lipomatosa (MDL) is a very rare condition present from birth that causes certain fingers or toes to grow much larger than normal. This happens because of abnormal overgrowth of fat, bone, nerves, and other soft tissues, usually along the path of a nerve. The condition most often affects the second and third toes or fingers and can cause both cosmetic concerns and functional problems, such as difficulty walking, wearing shoes, or even pain and numbness. Modern research suggests that changes in a growth-related gene PIK3CA may play a role, linking MDL to other overgrowth disorders, although the exact cause remains uncertain. While many children are diagnosed early, adults can also develop or notice progressive changes later in life. Surgery is the main treatment, ranging from trimming excess tissue to removal of an entire affected toe or finger. Our case highlights a complete surgical removal approach, offering lasting results with fewer recurrences. Conclusion. Over the last decade, doctors and researchers have made major progress in understanding and treating macrodystrophia lipomatosa (MDL), a rare condition that causes abnormal overgrowth of fingers or toes. In just the past few years, improvements in genetic testing, medical imaging, and surgical methods have helped doctors diagnose the condition more accurately and offer better, longer-lasting results. Research is also shedding light on the underlying causes, including possible genetic changes, which may guide future treatments. Today, the best care for MDL usually involves a team approach, where specialists work together to create an individual treatment plan for each patient. This often combines careful diagnosis, surgery tailored to the patient's needs, and new insights from ongoing research into gene-related therapies. With these advances, people living with MDL now have better chances for improved function, appearance, and quality of life. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.